Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline Urgent deadline The Hindu. Now headline in detail. Urgent deadline The Hindu. Poverty and climate change must be tackled urgently by G20. Tackling global hunger and poverty and promoting climate justice were declared goals for the recent G20 summit in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. President Lula da Silva called poverty a source of that same humanity, asking that the gathered nation to implement policies such as taxing the super rich using 2% wealth tax on the world wealthiest to generate more than 200 billion in revenue, but the G20 declaration fell short of that. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to underline that the problems of the world are felt most acutely by the global south, and therefore that the reign of global administration must belong to those that represent the larger majority in the world. The G20 host by Brazil was by the third host country of the global south after Indonesia in 2022 and India in 2023. The next G20 is to be in South Africa. The Brazil summit was expected to focus on solution for the poorer emerging economics. However, its timing diluted the cause and diffused the focus given the other issues the world confronts. This was the first G20 summit since the October 7 attacks on Israel at its reprisals on Gaza and Lebanon. Russians invasions of Ukraine and had also made foreign consequences at Bali and New Delhi already quite difficult with deeping polarized narrative over both conflict. That G20 declaration was watered down, expressing only deep concern over the humanitarian situation in Gaza and dropping all reference to Russia while highlighting the suffering with regard to global food and energy security. It was devoid to specify on ending the conflict. The G20 was also timed closely with the COP29 in Azerbaijan. Brazil will be in 2025 host, indicating that issue of climate financing and climate justice which have been raised by the developing world would find people in G20 declaration and then feed into the COP process. However, the summit followed just after the US presidential election result, casting its shadow. Given his moves during his first tenure, Donald Trump will not set much struck by the aspiration on the global south, nor he is likely to expend the kind of resource expecting from the US towards tackling global warming or in currently the explosion of fossil fuels. His cabinet has climate deniers and his own campaigning slogan was drill baby drill. Given the opponents the global south and the quarters to Indonesia, India, Brazil, South Africa will have to ensure that the next G20 is able to concretize the concerns of the developing world and set out a path for the future on poverty and hunger, climate change, the global governance in 2026 as the G20 will return to the US deadline in more urgent. Thank you.